Well, hello everyone. Hi. This is Saturday morning, June 6th, and we're at another car show. Got home last night about 11 o'clock, so it was a long night. But we're up and at 'em again here, and in a little town just north of home. And this little town's known for its turtles. It's so they're in their Turtle Days festival. So this is the car show that's part of that, and they got a lot of cars here today, about 180, which is a record. So competition is going to be tough again for the Redbird Special, I got a feeling, but we'll see how it turns out. We've already gone through judging. It's a drive-through judging, so we're all set now to settle in for the rest of the afternoon. So we'll be talking to you later and getting some more footage. A lot of nice cars here. Later. Well, this is a gorgeous car, and I just wanted to get some footage on this. This is a Buick. Looks like it's got perhaps a Chevrolet engine in it. Certainly not the original engine. I quite honestly don't know what year this is. I'll find it out as we go around. Probably something from the 30s originally. But as you can tell, it's been modified a great deal. But it is gorgeous.
He's still ordering.
It is gorgeous.
We would like to give him a little bit of something.
Look at the back. Looks like it's got some
just to show our
hydraulics to it.
And what he has meant to all of us. And personally, he's been probably one of my best friends.
Rear.
That I've had.
Okay, we'll come up to the side here. Suicide doors on it. See if this says anything in there. Don't see a sticker on it either. So I don't know what year it is. I'm guessing somewhere in the 30s, judging from the front end. But isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Well, we're here, the car show here Saturday is over, and we're all packed up ready to head home. Redbird Special did not win again today, so 0 for 2 this weekend. I haven't had that happen for a while, but that's part of the game. So we'll get home, rest up, another busy week next weekend. So see you then. Bye.